In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how I do my hair. A couple of you guys asked for this video, so giving the people what they want. Right now, this is like a couple of days since I washed my hair, like maybe 2 days. So I'm going to go, first of all, I'm going to take a shower, and then I'm going to show you guys how I style it right as I get out of the shower. Okay, I just got out of the shower. I'm low-key exposing myself here, but... So I wear a hair wrap to kind of dry out my hair, and then when I'm done, when I think it's like semi-dry, but still kind of moist, then I take it out. It looks really bad right now, but I kind of just push all of it to the front. Not all of it. I keep like this part going to the back, and then I scrunch up the back. So, girl. Oh, so this happens sometimes. Sometimes I look like Lord Farquaad, and that's okay. So I kind of just play with it until I like it a little. And then, personally, I like to have my sides like thinner and the back more poofy, and then the front like that. And then I take this Not Your Mother's Beach Babe Salt Spray. You don't have to use this one, but not sponsored. I use salt spray to get my hair to have some wave in it. So yeah, I'm gonna just go through and spray my whole head with this. Honestly, you probably don't need as much as I just used. After it dries with this in, it gets really wavy. And I also do this in the morning when I wake up, after I wake up and it's been flat. And I'm also going to take my towel now and kind of like scrunch my hair with it. So I kind of do this for like 15 to 30 seconds. If you have curly hair, I do not recommend using a microfiber towel. Do not use it, it's bad for curls. If you have curly hair, don't use it. But yeah, so this is kind of how it looks right now. What I do, I take hairspray and I spray it like this. Right? And then I wait for it to dry. And then once it dries, I shake it out. And so I'll wait for it to dry and I'll come back and I'll show you what I mean. Also, real quick before it dries, since I sprayed it with hairspray, I kind of like pull the sides out so you can kind of see it. Because I kind of like the mullet look. I don't currently have like a full mullet, but that's the vibe I like. So I actually just ended up blow drying my hair because it takes less time. What I do is I blow it up, so I go here and push it up, and then when it falls back down, it's like kind of fluffy, and I put it so the sides get pushed to the side because, like I said, I like the sides of my hair to be flatter. In the back, I kind of made it so I was blowing it this way and then this way. This side didn't flip up as much as I would like it to, but that's okay. It's still a little damp, so I can still like scrunch it and it'll kind of do the same thing. And then once I get to a position where like I like how it looks, I'm going to spray it a little more with hairspray. So there we have it. That's my hair tutorial. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Go outside, touch some grass, or watch more of my videos. Your choice. But this case is closed. Peace out.